Isa pong magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang isang napakagandang classroom management tools, which is the Google Classroom. Ano nga ba ang Google Classroom? Okay, let's watch these video clips from YouTube. Imagine a brand new teaching tool for education, and this is the Google Classroom. Okay, let's take a look at the Google Classroom. Set up an account in a few minutes. Okay, syempre kailangan meron kang account for you to create, collect grades, and do an assignment in one place. And give it back to your students. Make an announcement. Ask a question. In real time, even out of your classroom. Salamat Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Drive. Less tech. The future of education starts now. Are you ready? So maraming salamat sa video galing kay XPTM. Okay? So napakatagal na. It is published last May 15, 2014. So yun ang Google Classroom. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.